Well, I can't believe Applejack vandalized Arby's yesterday, so I'm going to report it to Racing Phone. Bound, logic, rebel Arby's. Yes, I rebuilt Arby's. Yes, I rebuilt Arby's. Yes, I rebuilt Arby's.
DIC Cartoons Luigi, thank you so much for rebuilding Arby's. Now Arby's is opening now. I will be calling DIC Cartoons Mario, Toad, and Princess Toadstool. You can go home now.
Luigi, thank you so much for rebuilding Arby's because we heard that Applejack vandalized your days.
You are Ungrounded forever.
You can do whatever you want.
Thank you so much, Mario, Princess Toadstool, and Toad. You three are the best.